Oh, I think that is an spirogyra, and smaller things have also been floating around. Hello friends and greeting to everyone watching this video. This is me Anmol Samsuhang and you all are watching ARS Biologicals. And in today's episode of ARS Biologicals, you must have seen the topic also how a rotten wood looks like under the microscope. So in this video we are going to observe rotten woods collected from a nearby forest site, and that is going to be under the microscope. So let's get started. This kind of wood also you can use, but I'm searching for a good one. So guys, as you can see above my head also there are many trees, and so you can see at the ground also many logs have been fallen down on the ground. So this I am taking this as a sample. I think I liked this one, so I'm going to take. You can choose anything, any kind of wood. As you can see here, some lichens have also been growing on this wood. It's pretty much rotten. Okay, so I'm taking this. So friends, I've reached my home and here's a specimen. So firstly, I'm going to take this wood and I'm taking a microscope slide of forceps, and with the help of forceps, as you can see the outer bark, the bark of the tree, the bark of this wood, I'm going to scratch it like this. I'm scratching it like this and going to place it on the microscope slide like this. As you can see over here, and adding few drops of water. This is actually filtered water, so I don't get any contamination in it. Okay, I've added some few drops of water and I'm going to place this black wood particles at one side. So I'm going to cover it with the cover slip. So now our microscope slide is ready. So as you all can see, we have found algae. So as you all can see, those white dots, vibrating white dots, those are bacteria. They all are present in thousands and they all are seem to be moving. Some are vibrating. As you can see, those they are moving on. Hey, quickly see that paramecium. Oh, that went away. How sad. Oh, but look at those ciliates. Wow.
Wow, look at this baby earthworm. Wow, it's really cool. And some of you all may find it disgusting too, but I like it. Yeah, this is the dark field microscope. We can clearly see the internal organs also. Wow, friends, look at that rotifer. Isn't it cool?
Thank you friends for watching my videos, and I'm again going to come back with good videos, and day by day I'm trying to do best, and hope you all support me. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box, and if there are some things you want to observe or you want to see under the microscope, you can comment down in the comment section. And this much for today, so bye bye.